Unlike a contract, which traditionally requires a meeting of the minds, promissory estoppel allows a party who has received and relied on a promise to enforce that promise under certain circumstances. The Maine Supreme Court considered what kinds of promises can be enforced in the 2008 case of Harvey v. Dows. Jeffrey Dows Sr. and his wife Kathryn owned 2 parcels of land totaling 125 acres. The Dows raised 2 children, Jeffrey Jr. and Teresa, on the property. The Dows viewed the property as a family heritage, and they expected to leave the land to their children. Teresa and her fiancé, Jarrod Harvey, with her parents' permission, installed a mobile home on the property. Jeffrey Jr. also had a mobile home on the property. A few years later, Teresa and Jarrod, then husband and wife, decided to build a house there. The Dows agreed to the construction and obtained a home equity line of credit to finance the Harveys' new house. A few months into construction, Jarrod died in a motorcycle accident. Teresa decided to use Jarrod's life insurance proceeds rather than her parents' line of credit to finance the house. Jeffrey Sr. assisted Teresa with arranging building permits and also did much of the construction work himself. Teresa later claimed that her father promised to deed her the construction site after the house was completed. Jeffrey Sr. denied making any such promise. Teresa's house, which cost about $200,000, was finished in about a year. But Teresa's relationship with her parents had badly deteriorated by then. Teresa again asked for a deed to the land on which her home sat so she could mortgage the house for other projects, but her parents refused. Teresa sued her parents, alleging promissory estoppel, breach of contract, and fraud. Teresa sought an order compelling her parents to deed her the land on which her house sat. After a 2-day bench trial, the Superior Court held that nothing the Dows had said established a firm promise that could be enforced by promissory estoppel. The court found for the Dows, and Teresa appealed to the Maine Supreme Court.